25 Natural Remedies for Common Skin Issues. 1. Honey for acne. Honey has natural antibacterial properties that can help reduce acne. Apply raw honey to affected areas, leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with warm water. 2. Oatmeal for dry skin. Oatmeal is a gentle exfoliant and moisturizer. Mix finely ground oats with water to create a paste. Apply it to dry skin, leave for 10 minutes, and rinse. 3. Lemon juice for dark spots. Lemon juice contains citric acid, which can help lighten dark spots. Apply fresh lemon juice to the affected areas, leave for 15 minutes, and rinse. Use sunscreen afterward to prevent further darkening. 4. Aloe vera for sunburn. Aloe vera is known for its soothing properties. Apply fresh aloe vera gel to sunburned skin for instant relief and faster healing. 5. Tea tree oil for acne. Tea tree oil has antimicrobial properties. Dilute it with a carrier oil and apply a small amount to acne-prone areas to reduce inflammation and fight acne-causing bacteria. 6. Coconut oil for dry skin. Coconut oil is a natural moisturizer. Apply it to dry skin, focusing on rough areas like elbows and knees. It provides deep hydration. 7. Turmeric for acne scars. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Mix turmeric with yogurt to create a paste and apply it to acne scars. Leave it on for 15 minutes before rinsing. 8. Witch hazel for oily skin. Witch hazel is an astringent that can help control excess oil production. Apply it with a cotton ball to cleanse oily skin. 9. Cucumber for puffy eyes. Cucumber slices placed on closed eyes can reduce puffiness and soothe tired eyes. The natural coolness refreshes the skin. 10. Apple cider vinegar for skin pH. Apple cider vinegar can balance your skin's pH. Dilute it with water, 1:1, and use it as a toner to improve skin texture and reduce redness. 11. Yogurt for dry skin. Yogurt is a gentle exfoliant and moisturizer. Apply plain yogurt to dry skin, leave for 15 minutes, and rinse for smoother and well-hydrated skin. 12. Olive oil for wrinkles. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants and healthy fats. Gently massage a few drops into fine lines and wrinkles to hydrate and reduce the appearance of aging. 13. Green tea for redness. Green tea is full of antioxidants that can soothe red and irritated skin. Brew green tea, cool it, and apply it as a toner to reduce redness. 14. Papaya for exfoliation. Papaya contains enzymes that exfoliate the skin. Mash papaya and apply it as a mask to remove dead skin cells and reveal smoother skin. 15. Avocado for hydration. Avocado is packed with healthy fats and vitamins. Mash ripe avocado and use it as a hydrating face mask to nourish and moisturize your skin. 16. Baking soda for blackheads. Baking soda can help exfoliate and remove blackheads. Mix it with water to create a paste, apply it to blackhead-prone areas, gently scrub, and rinse. 17. Chamomile tea for irritated skin. Chamomile tea has anti-inflammatory properties. Brew chamomile tea, cool it, and use it as a gentle toner to soothe irritated skin. 18. Almond oil for dark circles. Almond oil is rich in vitamin E and can help reduce dark circles. Apply a few drops to the under eye area and gently massage. 19. Rose water for skin refreshment. Rose water is a natural toner and can help refresh your skin. Spritz it on your face throughout the day for a quick pick-me-up. 20. Cinnamon and honey for acne. Make a paste by mixing cinnamon powder and honey. Apply it to acne-prone areas and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. 21. Potato for dark spots. Potato slices or potato juice can help lighten dark spots. Apply them to the affected areas for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse. 22. Castor oil for eyelashes and eyebrows. Castor oil is believed to promote hair growth. Apply a small amount to your eyelashes and eyebrows before bed to encourage thickness. 23. Avocado oil for sunburn. Avocado oil is soothing and can relieve sunburn. Apply it to sun-exposed skin for relief and hydration. 24. Epsom salt for exfoliation. Epsom salt can be used as a natural scrub. Mix it with olive oil and gently massage it onto your body for exfoliation.
Addressing domestic violence, a comprehensive examination. Domestic violence, often shrouded in silence and shame, is a grave societal issue that affects countless individuals worldwide. This essay digs deep into the multifaceted dimensions of domestic violence, examining its causes, manifestations, consequences, and the critical role of various stakeholders, including policymakers, law enforcement agencies, healthcare professionals, and the broader community in combating this pervasive problem. With a professional tone and language, this essay aims to raise awareness, foster understanding, and provide insights into the complex nature of domestic violence and its far-reaching impact on society. Background. Domestic violence, often hidden behind closed doors, transcends geographic boundaries, cultural contexts, and socioeconomic statuses. It is a pervasive social issue that affects individuals of all ages, genders, and backgrounds. Defined as a pattern of abusive behavior used to exert power and control over an intimate partner, domestic violence encompasses physical, emotional, psychological, financial, and sexual abuse. While the consequences of domestic violence are far-reaching and profound, it remains one of the most underreported and misunderstood crimes globally. Domestic violence, often referred to as intimate partner violence, IPV, or domestic abuse, is defined differently across jurisdictions. However, most legal definitions encompass abusive behaviors within intimate relationships, including physical violence, emotional abuse, sexual assault, financial exploitation, and psychological manipulation. Types of domestic violence. Domestic violence encompasses a spectrum of abusive behaviors, including physical abuse, example, hitting, slapping, emotional abuse, example, humiliation, isolation, financial abuse, example, controlling finances, sexual abuse, example, non-consensual sexual acts, and psychological abuse, example, threats, intimidation. Causes of domestic violence. Sociocultural factors. Domestic violence often arises from deeply ingrained sociocultural factors, including gender inequality, patriarchy, and societal norms that condone violence. These factors create a fertile ground for power imbalances and abusive behavior within intimate relationships.